फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल ऑल अबाउट जीके एंड जीएस। आज का वीडियो है 50 प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस ऑफ एसएससी सीएचएसएल। ये पार्ट 1 है। आगे और भी जो एग्जाम आते जाएंगे मैं उनके लिए प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस देती रहूँगी। तो अगर आप किसी भी गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं जैसे एलडीएस, डीईओ, पीएसए, एमटीएस, एसएससी सीजीएल, सीएचएसएल, आरआरबी, एनटीपीसी, रेलवे ग्रुप डी, तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। सो टेस्ट एंड प्रैक्टिस योरसेल्फ विद दीज क्वेश्चंस। तो let's start this video. Fixed minimum reserve issues currency notes under the, your options are fixed fiduciary system, fixed minimum reserve system, maximum fiduciary system, and proportional reserve system. The right answer is fixed minimum reserve system. Next is, which day is the International Human Rights Day? Your options are 11 September, 24th September. Next is, the capital of Pakistan till 1959 was Islamabad, Hyderabad, Lahore or Karachi. The right answer is Karachi. Silicon Valley of India is located in Dehradun, Bengaluru, Hyderabad or Srinagar. The right answer is Bengaluru. The author of the book India Wins Freedom is Kuldeep Nayar, Indira Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru and Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. The right answer is Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. The implementation of Jawaharlal Rojgar Yojana vests with Gram Panchayat, Union Government, District Collector, State Government. The right answer is Union Government. What is the quorum required for convening the Lok Sabha? Your options are 1/10 of the total number of house, 1/6 of the total number of house, 1/8 or 1/5. The right answer is 1/10. In the parliamentary form of government, he or she is the first among equals. Who is he or she? President, Prime Minister, Leader of Opposition or Speaker of Lower House? The right answer is Prime Minister. Gandhiji's movement of boycotting the foreign goods aimed at promotion of welfare state, promotion of cottage industries, full independence or creating anti-British sentiment. The right answer is full independence. What is the maximum age limit prescribed for the post of the President of India? Maximum age limit, not minimum. The right answer is there is no maximum limit. Is the final of the Sultan Afzal Shah Hockey Tournament 2009 was played between India and Pakistan, India and Malaysia, Malaysia and Pakistan, and Malaysia and Japan. The right answer is India and Malaysia. Next is, the 2001 Cricket World Cup shall be co-hosted by Pakistan, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka, or Bangladesh, Pakistan and India, India, Sri Lanka and Bangladesh, or India, Sri Lanka, Pakistan and Bangladesh. The right answer is India, Sri Lanka and Bangladesh. Next is, English is the official language of which of the following Indian states? ये कॉमन क्वेश्चन है, आपको आना चाहिए. The right answer is Nagaland. Right to Information Act was passed in the year? This is also a common question. 2005. FERA has been replaced by FEMA, FETA, FENA या FELA. ये क्वेश्चन 2 बार आया है. द राइट आंसर इज फेमा. Who has been awarded ICC Men's ODI Cricketer of the Decade 2020? Steve Smith from Australia, Rashid Khan from Afghanistan, Virat Kohli from India, and Kyle Kozer from Scotland. The term PC means private computer, personal computer, professional computer, or personal calculator. The right answer is personal computer. Which one of the following Indian cricketers has been awarded Sir Garfield Sobers Award for ICC Male Cricketer of the Year, Cricketer of the Decade 2020? ये current question है. The right answer is Virat Kohli. Who is the present chief of ISRO? Very common question. The right answer is Dr. K. Shivan. Who has taken over as 14th Chief Election Commissioner of India in 2009? Sunil Arora, S.Y. Qureshi, Naveen Chawla or Sunil Chandra? The right answer is Sunil Chandra. The imaginary lines joining places of same height at equal intervals are hachures, contours, spot height या isomers. The right answer is contours. The author of the book My Experiments with Truth is Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Govind Vallabh Pant, M.K. Gandhi, Tara Ali Beg. The right answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Which one of the following business magnates has been adjourned the Fortune 2020 Business Person of the Year? ये भी current question है. Jeff Bezos, Bernard Arnault, Elon Musk, Bill Gates. The right answer is Elon Musk. Depreciation is equal to gross national product minus net national product. Is the relationship between the value of money and the price level in an economy is direct, inverse, proportional or stable. The right answer is inverse. In an economy, the sectors are classified into public and private on the basis of employment conditions, nature of economic activities, ownership of enterprises, use of raw materials. The right answer is ownership of enterprises. Next is stagflation is a situation of stagnation and deflation, stagnation and recession, stagnation and inflation, and stagnation and recovery. पढ़ के समझ में आ रहा है. Stagflation means stagnation and inflation. What is Khetri in Rajasthan famous for? Copper mines, mica mines, bauxite mines or limestone mines? The right answer is copper mines. Next is, which one of the following rivers form an estuary? The right answer is Narmada. Next is, an important river of an Indian desert is Luni, Narmada, Krishna, Beas. Right answer is Luni. The Nagarjun Sagar Dam is constructed on the river Krishna, Chambal, Koshi या Satluj. The right answer is Krishna. Anantpur district in Andhra Pradesh is famous for copper, zinc, mica or gold. The right answer is gold. Next is, Bahadur Shah was the last ruler of the Lodhis, successor of Sesa Suri, last Mughal emperor, or successor of the Maratha ruler Shivaji? The right answer is last Mughal ruler. Mangal Pandey fired the one shot of the revolt of 1857 at, बहुत ज़्यादा famous है, you have to know this, बैरकपुर, मेरठ, कानपुर या झांसी? Right answer is बैरकपुर. Next is the resources which can be used continuously year after year are called biotic resources, abiotic resources, renewable resources, non-renewable resources. The right answer is renewable resources. The coast that belongs to Kerala is known as Konkan coast, Malabar coast और Malbarian coast भी बोला जाता है, Coromandel coast या Canara coast. The right answer is Malabar coast. Great Stupa at Sachi is in Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh or Andhra Pradesh? The right answer is Madhya Pradesh. What was the age of Akbar at the time of his coronation at Kalanaur? Coronation का मतलब जब वो वहाँ पे राज सिंहासन संभाला था. He was 13 years old. Which stages of the life of man in Aryan society in ascending order of stage is correct? Which is correct? ब्रह्मचर्य, गृहस्थ, वानप्रस्थ, संन्यास या गृहस्थ? क्या सही ऑप्शंस है? The right answer is brahmacharya, grihasth, then vanprasth. Charak was a famous court physician of Harsh, Chandragupta Maurya, King Ashoka or King Kanishka? The right answer is King Kanishka. A person having AB negative group of blood can donate blood to a person having A minus group, B negative group, AB negative group and O negative group. इनमें से आपको बताना है. So your right answer is AB negative group. Why do birds not have respiratory trouble at the time of flying at high altitude? Your options are: their lungs are very high, they fly inactively, they have extra air sacs, they use less oxygen. The right answer is they have extra air sacs. After the Chauri Chaura incident, Gandhiji suspended the civil disobedience movement, Khilafat movement, non-cooperation movement or Quit India movement. The right answer is non-cooperation movement. Refrigerators keep food unspoiled because at its low temperature, bacteria and molds are inactive. At its low temperature, the germs are killed. At its low temperature, the germs are frozen. It sterilizes the food. The right answer is at its low temperature, bacteria and molds are inactive. Select the one which is not a mixture. Which is not a mixture? Air, gasoline, LPG or distilled water? Answer is distilled water is not a mixture. The temperature which has the same reading on both Fahrenheit and Celsius scale is 40 degree, minus 40 degree, minus 34 degree, minus 140 degree. The right answer is minus 40 degree. Water boils at a lower temperature on the hills because it is cold on the hills, there is less carbon dioxide on the hills, there is a decrease in air pressure on the hills and there is less oxygen. The right answer is there is a decrease in air pressure on the hills. Source of energy in ecosystem is sun, green plant, sugar produced in photosynthesis or ATP. The right answer is sun. Which of the following elements is not in stainless steel? Iron, tungsten, chromium or nickel? The right answer is tungsten. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्दी सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन पर प्रेस कीजिए ताकि आपको मेरे आने वाले हर वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले मिले, क्योंकि मैं हर रोज़ इंपॉर्टेंट स्टैटिक जीके के टॉपिक पे वीडियो लाती हूँ। और अभी जो भी एग्ज़ाम आने वाला है उससे रिलेटेड मैं प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस भी लाऊंगी। जनरल अवेयरनेस बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है किसी भी गवर्नमेंट एग्ज़ाम के लिए, तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू दिस चैनल एंड थैंक्स अ लॉट।